Okay, so with this tutorial, now we're going to add some video. And I want to add video directly from the website. This is good optimization because it means that you're not having to load video directly into the site itself. So I'm going to add some video here to the Cardiff Castle page. I've gone to YouTube and I found a nice promotional video of the castle in action. So we're going to take the YouTube URL for that in just a second. So you might want to get that ready first. So the first thing you've got to do here is in Cardiff Castle, or wherever it is you want to put your video, you've got to do Web View, and up will come Web View, displays embedded web content and enables content navigation. So here we go. I'm going to plug that in. I'm going to make sure the video is the right size. Lovely, with the cat sticking out the top of it. That was nice. Again, once we've added that, of course it's a blank page because we haven't told it anything yet. So we're going to click the two circles. We're going to make sure that we're on the Castle Viewer, which we are, Castle View Controller. And I'm going to go to that PDF again. And the code for this is the same in both Xcode 7 and 8. So before we do that, we're going to load this in. So again, right click and above the override function, let it go. Now what you're going to choose here is, it is an outlet. The name is going to be Video View, written like that, so small v, big V, and the type is a UI view and the storage is weak. I'm going to click connect. Once you've done that, you'll notice it has a little exclamation mark. That's a good place to put a space in, and everything else underneath it you're going to delete. So you're left with that. Then you're going to go over to the PDF, and you're going to copy again all the text in black. Copy it and simply paste it. Now essentially that's it, but now we need to enter in that YouTube URL. So we're going to go to YouTube, we're going to copy the URL, we're going to paste it in, making sure we don't delete the speech marks. Lovely, fantastic. And there you go. Again, there's no errors that have appeared, which must mean that it's successful. So let's press play and let's find out. Let's have a look. So it's going to load the content. Here we go, Cardiff Guide, and we're looking for Cardiff Castle. Click on that. And then just give it a second because it's obviously coming from an online source. We can scroll up and down it and left and right. Now we can see that it hasn't loaded the content. The reason it hasn't loaded the content is quite simple. We need the embed codes. So let's go back. Let's go to share and copy one of those embed codes there. Great, fantastic. And put embed in and the site number. I mean, again, or you can simply, and I'll just show you. You can simply, that's the code. All you'd need to do is change. You see where it says embed? You just take the last few letters, copy and paste them into there, and that will work just as straightforward. Now let's build this and see if it works now, shall we? It's not bringing up any errors, which is good news. Let's have a look. Click on Castle, and there it is. That's better. So yeah, it was just an embed code we needed. And there you go. So now you've got a little video which you can run directly inside your app, and there it is playing. You've even got the interactive controls of pause and everything like that. So that's how to insert a video into your app. Now let's see if we can do that again. So let's have a look. Where else could we put a video? Let's try. I wonder, could we put one on the home page for Cardiff? Do you think Cardiff has a? Let's see, Cardiff City. Cardiff City Centre. Let's try that. There we go. That looks pretty good. 4-minute video. Oh look, Cardiff Centre drone. That looks quite nice. Let's have a look. Cardiff City. This looks like a pretty good video. Yeah, there you go. That's a good drone all over the city. That's fantastic. Right, let's take that. This obviously is our scrolling bar, so we can make this shorter. There we go. And again, we've got our web view, which I'm going to drag and drop into here. I'm going to make it like that. There we go. Lovely. Fantastic. This is obviously our first view controller, so that's fine. So drag, drop. We're going to call it video view. Click connect. Lovely. And then after the exclamation mark, remember, everything gets deleted. We go back to the code. We copy it. Copy. And we paste it. And we're going to need that those little numbers again. So let's go to here. There it is. Copy that. And paste that in here. Paste. Lovely. I think that'll be great. Let's play that and let's have a look. So now it should load us directly in and it should show us a little video. Let's have a look. Cardiff Guide. There it is. And there it is. Grand. Fantastic. And off you go. Ah, that's interesting. This video contains content from SME. I don't know what that means. Restricted playback. But you've got a link to watching it on YouTube. That's good. But still, it is there, and I'm sure if that happens on yours, you'll be able to change it for a video that will play within your app. But still, it does work, and that's it. Now, at this point, you've added links, and you've added videos. What's to do next? Well, to do next, obviously, open up and copy, duplicate your Cardiff Guide and call this version 3. Version 3. Great. Now all these different guides, these are great practice, and actually they do count towards your mark. So make sure you take screen grabs and show that you've been saving it along the way. So the next one is I'm going to show you how to, on the shopping in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to embed an interactive map.